Right, today I've just finished painting this little table which has got some nice detail on it. I used the Lazy Range Salt of the Earth, which is one of my favourite colours because it's so timeless and classy and goes with just about everything. But I thought I would just show you quickly how easy it is to apply the Frenchic white wax. All the waxes in the Frenchic range are known in the trade as oh my god wax because they are just so beautiful to use. No skull and crossbones on the tin, they're safe for pregnant women to use. No smell, I don't get headaches anymore for using it, and it just goes on beautifully. So I'm just using one of the Frenchic wax brushes. I use it for all my waxing, it just makes it so easy to get into all the nooks and crannies. And I hold mine a bit like I'm sort of going to stab somebody with it. And then you just literally apply it. And it will give a beautiful chalky finish. And I will do it all over, but for the sake of today's little video, I'm just going to apply it so that you can sort of see how easy it is to apply and get an idea of what the effect will be. I tend to put mine on and then I leave it for about 2 or 3 minutes and then I wipe off any excess, and then if you want to make it even whiter you can apply some more wax over the top. Can you see how that's beginning to go on? So I'll just carry on putting some down here. Now the Lazy Range obviously has got the wax already built in, so I'm not doing this to seal the paint because the paint comes out of the tin seal with the Lazy Range because it has the wax already built in. But I'm just doing this because I want to get the different effect, and I think that using the white wax over this particular colour really does work very, very well. So, stabbing away into all those nooks and crannies. That's beginning to work. Let's go around the corner there. Lovely. I love the fact that I don't get headaches anymore. It was always a hazard when I was painting furniture previously, and I just don't get it anymore. Right, so you can sort of see how that's building up. You might want to get a bit of a close-up on that just to see how it looks. Bit of a shades and shadows going on in here because it's beginning to get a bit darker outside. You can see the idea of it, and then just using a lint-free cloth I'm just going to just gently wipe off, and a lot of the wax will get stuck in the grooves and give that lovely chalky effect. And then when I've turned it up the right way, I think it needs it, I'll add a little bit more. And that really is all there is to using the Frenchic waxes. And you can just wash your brush out with hot soapy water. Job done.